Hey everyone! Today I'm here to film and show you the 16-meter self-propelled scissor lift. If you have any thoughts about the equipment, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. The operator can control all movements and lifting operations with a single button on the platform, eliminating the need for grounding personnel to assist with pushing and significantly improving efficiency, saving at least 50% of labor costs while increasing work speed by several times. The platform ascends, descends, and moves with smooth, linear motion rather than jerky, jolting movements. This provides greater comfort for workers at heights and enables more precise positioning, especially critical when performing delicate installations or contact-sensitive tasks, as it helps prevent accidental bumps or damage to both the equipment and surrounding structures. Additionally, the equipment typically features a powerful dual-drive system and off-road terrain kit, enabling safe and stable operation on unfinished surfaces, slightly uneven factory floors, or temporarily laid pathways, without waiting for ideal construction conditions or causing project delays. From rooftop maintenance and lighting replacement in large factories to ductwork installations, as well as shelf management in warehouses and exhibition setups in showrooms, the 16-meter working height covers over 95% of indoor industrial scenarios. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment.